Hey everyone, welcome back to Spanish Buddy. I'm Sophia, and we're super happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Carlos. Thanks for joining another real-life Spanish lesson where we focus on speaking naturally and confidently.
Today's topic is something we talk about all the time in everyday conversations.
Your home.
Yep, talking about your house, apartment, bedroom, kitchen, neighborhood, or where you live is incredibly useful in Spanish.
People ask these questions everywhere.
When meeting new friends, traveling, texting, talking at school, or chatting online.
Even beginner Spanish learners can have great conversations with simple home vocabulary.
Exactly. And honestly, people love talking about where they live.
Especially when comparing cities, apartments, weather, or favorite rooms at home.
By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to describe your home, ask questions about someone's house, talk naturally about rooms, and sound more conversational in Spanish.
We'll also practice pronunciation, mini dialogues, real-life situations, and common mistakes learners make.
And don't worry if you feel nervous speaking out loud.
We're keeping everything simple, practical, and beginner-friendly.
Because speaking confidence grows one sentence at a time.
Absolutely.
Quick question for everyone watching. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
And what's your favorite room in your home?
Try answering in Spanish in the comments.
Even a short sentence is amazing practice.
Also, if you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Spanish Buddy.
Your support really helps our channel grow.
And remember to pause the video and repeat phrases out loud.
Speaking practice is the fastest way to improve.
All right, let's start learning Spanish for talking about your home.
Let's jump right in.
Okay, first, let's learn some essential home vocabulary in Spanish.
These are words and phrases native speakers use every day.
One very useful sentence is,
Vivo en una casa. I live in a house.
repeat after me.
Vivo en una casa.
Vivo sounds like Bebo.
Great.
Another common sentence is,
Vivo en un apartamento. I live in an apartment.
repeat after me.
Vivo en un apartamento.
Excellent.
Now let's learn room vocabulary.
La cocina.
The kitchen.
El baño.
The bathroom.
La sala.
The living room.
El dormitorio.
The bedroom.
Repeat after me slowly.
La cocina.
El dormitorio.
Nice.
Here's an important question.
¿Dónde vives? Where do you live?
Repeat after me.
¿Dónde vives?
Donde sounds like donde.
Very good.
Now let's answer naturally.
Vivo en Karachi.
Or,
Vivo cerca del centro. I live near downtown.
cerca means near.
Repeat after me.
Vivo cerca del centro.
Excellent.
Let's imagine a real-life conversation.
Someone asks,
¿Tu casa es grande? Is your house big?
you answer,
Sí, mi casa es bastante grande. Yes, my house is pretty big.
bastante means pretty or quite.
Very natural in conversation.
Another useful phrase is,
Mi habitación es pequeña. My room is small. Repeat after me. Mi habitación es pequeña.
pequeña sounds like pequeña.
Great.
Now let's practice speaking.
Repeat after me.
La cocina.
El baño.
Mi casa.
Perfect.
Let's practice negative sentences too.
Very useful in real conversations.
No vivo en una casa. I don't live in a house.
Or,
Mi apartamento no es grande. My apartment isn't big.
repeat after me.
No vivo en una casa.
Mi apartamento no es grande.
Excellent.
Can you say this in Spanish?
My house is beautiful.
Mi casa es bonita.
I live near the park.
Vivo cerca del parque.
Great job.
Another useful phrase.
Me gusta mi habitación. I like my room.
Repeat after me.
Me gusta mi habitación.
Excellent.
Remember, simple sentences are powerful.
You don't need difficult grammar to have real conversations.
Focus on speaking clearly and confidently.
Quick summary.
Today we learned basic home vocabulary, simple questions, and natural answers.
Now let's move into real-life conversations.
Let's do it.
All right, now let's use these phrases in real-world situations.
Because this is how Spanish actually sounds in daily life.
Imagine you're meeting a new friend at a cafe.
They ask,
¿Dónde vives?
you answer,
Vivo en un apartamento cerca del centro.
very natural.
Here's another realistic conversation.
Hola, ¿tu casa es grande?
Más o menos, pero me gusta mucho.
Más o menos means more or less.
Repeat after me.
Más o menos.
Great. Let's imagine you're traveling and staying with a host family. You might say,
Tu casa es muy bonita.
your house is very beautiful, very polite and natural.
Repeat after me.
Tu casa es muy bonita.
Excellent.
Now let's compare formal and informal Spanish.
Informal,
¿Dónde vives?
formal.
¿Dónde vive usted?
Native speakers usually use informal speech with friends and people their age.
But formal Spanish is useful with older people or professional situations.
Exactly.
Here's another natural conversation.
¿Tienes jardín? Do you have a garden?
Sí, pero es pequeño.
Nice and simple.
Let's do a mini speaking activity.
I'll say the English sentence.
You say it in Spanish.
My kitchen is big.
Mi cocina es grande.
I live in an apartment.
Vivo en un apartamento.
Excellent.
Here are 3 quick tips for sounding natural.
First, keep sentences short and clear.
Second, repeat common phrases daily.
Third, focus on pronunciation rhythm.
Native speakers connect words smoothly during conversation.
Exactly.
Another useful phrase is,
Mi casa está cerca del trabajo. My house is near work.
repeat after me.
Mi casa está cerca del trabajo.
Great! We'd love to hear your examples too. Describe your room or house in Spanish in the comments.
Even one simple sentence is excellent practice.
Before moving on, let's review important expressions.
Vivo en una casa.
Mi habitación es pequeña.
La cocina es grande.
¿Dónde vives?
Perfect.
Now let's focus on daily conversations about home life.
This is the type of Spanish people use while texting, chatting, or speaking casually.
Imagine your friend texts you.
¿Estás en casa? Are you at home?
You answer.
Sí, estoy en mi habitación.
Habitación means room or bedroom.
Repeat after me.
Estoy en mi habitación.
Nice.
Another casual expression is,
Estoy limpiando la cocina. I'm cleaning the kitchen.
repeat after me.
Estoy limpiando la cocina.
Excellent.
Here's a pronunciation tip.
Don't separate every word too much.
Instead of saying,
Estoy en mi casa.
try saying,
Estoy en mi casa.
much smoother and more natural.
Let's practice slowly.
Mi casa está cerca del parque.
Now faster.
Mi casa está cerca del parque.
Great.
Let's do a short dialogue.
¿Te gusta tu apartamento?
Sí, me encanta porque es tranquilo.
Tranquilo means quiet or peaceful. Repeat after me. Tranquilo.
Excellent.
Another useful phrase.
Tengo un balcón. Al lado balcony.
Repeat after me.
Tengo un balcón.
Great.
Here's another real-life situation.
Someone visits your home and says,
Tu sala es muy bonita.
you answer,
Gracias, me gusta decorar mi casa.
decorar means to decorate.
Very natural phrase.
Let's do listening practice.
Listen carefully.
Mi apartamento es pequeño pero cómodo.
That means, my apartment is small but comfortable.
Another one.
Tengo una cocina grande y moderna.
I have a big and modern kitchen.
Great job if you understood that.
And don't worry if you missed some words.
Listening improves with daily practice.
Quick review.
We practiced casual conversations, texting style Spanish, pronunciation flow, and home vocabulary.
Now let's talk about common mistakes learners make.
Because mistakes are normal for everyone.
Honestly, every Spanish learner makes mistakes while talking about home vocabulary.
Especially because some Spanish words change gender.
One common mistake is saying,
El cocina.
incorrect.
Correct version,
La cocina.
because cocina is feminine.
Another common mistake is direct English translation.
Some learners say,
Estoy viviendo en una casa now.
mixing languages accidentally happens a lot.
More natural Spanish is
Vivo en una casa.
simple and clean,
Another mistake is pronunciation.
especially with habitación.
Some learners say habitación.
But native pronunciation sounds closer to habitación.
Repeat after me.
Habitación.
Excellent.
Another common mistake is formal and informal confusion.
Like saying, ¿Dónde vive usted, amigo?
Grammatically correct, but awkward with friends.
More natural, ¿Dónde vives?
Much more conversational.
Here's a funny mistake learners sometimes make,
Someone wanted to say, I have a balcony.
but accidentally said,
Tengo un volcán.
which means I have a volcano.
Very different meaning.
Correct version,
Tengo un balcón.
repeat after me.
Balcón.
Excellent.
Remember, mistakes help you improve.
Every conversation teaches you something valuable.
Don't wait until your Spanish is perfect.
Start speaking with simple sentences now.
Confidence grows through practice.
Exactly.
Keep repeating useful phrases daily.
And focus on communication, not perfection.
All right, everyone, let's practice together.
Choose the correct sentence.
Situation number 1.
You want to say, I live in an apartment.
Option A.
Vivo en un apartamento.
Option B.
Soy en un apartamento.
Correct answer.
Vivo en un apartamento.
Excellent.
Repeat after me.
Vivo en un apartamento.
Situation 2.
Which sounds more natural?
¿Dónde vives?
Or
¿Dónde vive usted?
both are correct.
But ¿dónde vives is more casual and common with friends.
Situation 3.
How do you say, my room is small?
Mi habitación es pequeña.
Great job.
Situation 4.
Which sentence is correct?
La cocina es moderna.
Or,
El cocina es moderna.
correct answer?
La cocina es moderna.
Excellent.
Situation 5.
How do you say, I have a balcony?
Tengo un balcón.
Perfect.
Pronunciation reminder.
Balcón sounds like balcón.
Habitación sounds like habitación.
Great.
Now create your own sentence in Spanish about your home.
Maybe,
Mi casa es pequeña.
or,
Tengo una cocina grande.
personal examples help you remember vocabulary faster.
And remember, speaking practice matters more than perfect grammar.
Exactly.
All right, everyone, let's wrap up today's lesson.
Today, we learned how to talk naturally about your home in Spanish.
We practice useful vocabulary, real-life conversations, pronunciation, and common mistakes.
We also learned casual expressions for daily speaking and texting.
Most importantly, we practice speaking confidently.
Remember, fluency grows through consistent practice.
So after this lesson, try describing your room or house in Spanish.
Even simple sentences help a lot.
And don't be afraid to repeat phrases many times.
That's exactly how language learning works.
Before we go, tell us in the comments, what Spanish topic should we cover next on SpanishBuddy?
Maybe restaurant conversations, travel Spanish, beginner listening practice, or daily routines.
And if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to SpanishBuddy.
Your support really helps us continue making practical Spanish lessons.
Thanks so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing Spanish every single day.
You're improving more than you think.
See you next time.